Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your Tehzeeb sir, and today we are going to learn a maths. In maths, today we are going to learn exercise number 8C. Okay, but before starting exercise number 8C, my dear students, let's check a new topic: a symmetry, a line of the symmetry, and then after, my dear students, a new topic, a different views. Understood? So first of all, let's check here today's quote, and then after we will move on further our session. So let's check, my dear students, our new quotes. Means today's quote. Today's quote is what? Every day is a new opportunity to change your life. What, my dear students? Today's your quote. Today's your quote means today's quote is what? Every day is a new opportunity to change your life. Now let's check here. Today we are going to learn, my dear students, means today we are going to learn a chapter number 8, shape, space and pattern. I hope you know this name of the chapter. Okay, now we will move on the symmetry. Our new topic is what, my dear students? Symmetry. What is our chapter names? Shape, space and patterns. Again I repeat, what is the name of our chapter, my dear students? Our chapter name is shape, space and pattern. Okay, so now our new topic is what, my dear students? Symmetry. What? Symmetry. SYMMETRY. Symmetry is our new topic, my dear students. Understood? Symmetry is our new topic. Exercise number 8C. Okay, exercise number 8C we are going to learn all. Then after, line of the symmetry is done. Okay, then we move on, my dear students. Question number 1 related to the line of the symmetry and symmetry. Okay, what we are going to learn, my dear students? Here we are going to learn what we are going to learn? Different views, symmetry, line of the symmetry. Understood, my dear students? Again and again I repeat, what is the name of the chapter? Shape, space and patterns. Okay, symmetry. Then after, our new topic is symmetry. What, my dear students? Symmetry. Then we will move on further, line of the symmetry. Exercise number 8C, question number 1, different views. Okay, in question number 1, after a complete question number 1, we will move on the what, my dear students? We move on the different views. Understood? We move on the different views. Okay, now move on, my dear students, our first topic, symmetry. So let's check what is a symmetry, my dear students. Okay, let's check here what is the symmetry. Now here are some knowledgeable things here. What? Knowledgeable things here. So here I am speaking and ready. Then after, yesterday we have done this, but again I repeat, my dear students. Okay, so in January, my dear students, now January is coming. Every year people from a different parts, in January every year people from a different parts of India celebrate the harvest. What, dear all? In a January every year people from a different parts of India celebrate the harvest. The festival is called a Makar Sankranti. What, my dear students? We know and we are enjoying every year. Okay, in January every year people from different parts of India celebrate the harvest. This festival is called Makar Sankranti in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Okay, in Karnataka. In Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Lohri in Punjab. Means what, my dear students? In every year we celebrate the Makar Sankranti, but it's what actually it's named harvest. What, my dear students? Harvest. So my dear students, different parts of the Indian celebrate the harvest. The festival is called, means this kite flight festival, it's called what? Makar Sankranti. In Maharashtra, okay, in Maharashtra known as the Makar Sankranti. In Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Pongal and Tamil Nadu Okay, in Andhra Pradesh also known as the Makar Sankranti, and Karnataka also known as the what? Makar Sankranti. Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Pongal means this name of the festival Makar Sankranti, other name of the Pongal known as the Pongal in Tamil Nadu. In Punjab known as the Lohri, and the Assam Bhogal Bihu. Okay, Bhogli Bihu. It is also day the people fly kite as the part of the Uttarayan festival in Gujarat. In Gujarat, also known as the Uttarayan Makar Sankranti. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are know, and I hope you all this. Okay, I hope you all are love this festival. So, my dear students, now we will move on further our new things. Okay, so let's check, my dear students. Look at the kites. Do you notice the both havels of the kites are exactly the same? Means two wings of the kites and both wings are same. We can say that the kite is symmetry. Means both part are same. Means any equal things means okay, kite has both same part and both same part. It's called a symmetric. Okay, means symmetry means symmetric. Understood, dear? Okay, again I repeat, look carefully at the kites. Do you notice that both havels of the kite are exactly the same? Means both parts of the kites are same, dear. We can say that the kite is symmetric. Let's try this out with another shape. Let's try this out with another shape, dear. Okay, now this method, and how can we draw the symmetry? How can we know the symmetry? How we observe is this symmetry part? Okay, so let's check here, my dear students. So first you take a piece of the paper. What, my dear students? You take a piece of paper and fold it in half. What, my dear students? See this. This is the paper. Okay, and it's make a what? It's make a means we make a fold it in half. Understood, my dear students? We make a fold it in half, means we have to fold a half. Draw the curves forming and a butterfly wings. Okay, means draw here the butterfly wings. See this butterfly wings. Exactly we draw the butterfly. Okay, cut the folded paper along the lines you have a drawn. Means only one part we draw a butterfly's wing. So here I draw the one wings of the butterfly. See this. As like that I am going to draw. Okay, as like that I am going to draw. Cut the folded part along the lines you have a drawn. What, my dear students? We have to draw one. We have to draw one, dear. Okay, so what to do for the step? Again I repeat, look carefully at the kites. Do you notice that the both havels of the kites are exactly the same? Means the kite has both are same parts. We can say that the kites is symmetry. Okay, let's try this out with another shape. What, my dear students? Another shape. Take a piece of the paper and fold it in half. What? We have to take a piece of the paper and fold it in half. Okay, draw the curves forming a butterfly wings. Draw the curves forming a butterfly wings. Got my points, dear students? Cut the folded paper along the lines you have a drawn. Cut the folded paper along the lines you have drawn. Understood? So you have to cut the we have to draw these wings, and we are cut the folded part along. Now what to do? Unfolded the piece you have a cut out. Now we cut out and we make the shape as like that. See this. You will find, means we will find that you have made a butterfly with the matching wings. What? Why? Because of we are finding a matching wings, because of that time we drawn only one wings and cut the one wings, okay, and but a folded. So folded means one we drawn, one we cut, so it's a cut in two parts, okay. So got my points on see this dotted line, okay. So this is a symmetrical figure, you can fold it and make it a match. The folded is line of the symmetry, see it's the middle line, it's what we call this middle line, line of the symmetry, means anything we have to cut and it's divide into same or equal parts, it's called a symmetry. We can see that both wings of the butterfly is matched. See my dear students, we can see that both wings of the butterfly is a match. Understood my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, this is a very important for us, you have to try at your home, dear. What my dear students, you are trying at your home. Got my points my dear students? Okay, again I repeat my dear students, unfolded the piece you have to cut out. See this unfolded piece we have to cut out, and we will find that we have a mated butterfly with a matching wings. What we will find that we have made a butterfly with the matching wings. Then after this is a symmetrical figure. See this my dear students, it's called a symmetrical figure. What my dear students, this is a symmetrical figures. Okay, this is a symmetrical figures. So my dear students, this shape is a symmetrical figure and we can fold it, make it a match. The fold is the line of the symmetry. See this folded part and we open, and it is which part, what we called, it is the symmetrical part, symmetrical lines. Understood my dear students? What? It is a symmetrical part. Okay, we can see that both wings of the butterfly match. We can see that both wings of the butterfly match. Got my points my dear students? Now we will move on further. Line of the symmetry. What my dear students? Line of the symmetry. So let's check my dear students, line of the symmetry. What my dear students? Here we check the line of the symmetry. So what is the line of the symmetry? See, it's called a line of the symmetry. See this, it's called a line of the symmetry. But what is actually a line of the symmetry? Now let's take the brief introductions of light symmetry. The line of the symmetry is an imaginary line. What? It is the imaginary line. We have to only imagination line. Okay, the line of the symmetry is an imaginary line where you could fold an image and have both havels match exactly. Look at these two triangles which have been folded along the dotted line. Which triangle has the correct line of the symmetry marked on it? See this my dear students, triangle A or triangle B. Okay, you try this my dear students, mark the lines of the symmetry if any one this symbol. Means for example a pencil means not a computer symbols, otherwise any mouse, pen, anything, and you tried the any symbol. Okay, try to make a lines of symmetry. You to try to at your home. Okay, again I repeat my dear students, line of the symmetry. The line of the symmetry as an imaginary line where you could fold an image and have both havels match exactly. Look at these two triangles. What my dear students? Look at these two triangles which have been folded along the dotted line. So my dear students, look at these two triangles which have been folded along with the dotted. Okay, it's a dotted line, which a triangle has the correct lines of the symmetry marked on it. What my dear students? Marked on it. Look at these two triangles. Now first is what? Line is symmetry is imaginary. We have to only imagination. First we have to do the imagination. And then after, my dear students, what to do? Then after we check, look at these two triangles which have been folded along the dotted line. Which triangle has the correct line of the symmetry marked on it? See, this triangle is the one of the line. Which line is what? Imaginary line, otherwise the symmetry line of the symmetry. Then after we folded, and then after we cut, otherwise the triangle B we make as like that. Understood, my dear students? We make as like that. So many things are we do. But again I repeat, my dear students, what? Again I repeat, look at this international symbol used at the airports. See this, my dear students, these all are international, okay, not a special or national, but international means out of country, out of India. International symbols, those all are used in used at airports. See this first, baggage claim. Here see this, different parts. All symbol are a difference. The dotted line is the line of the symmetry. See this, between this line is the symmetrical line. This dotted line is not a line of the symmetrical. Okay. Toilet, this a symbol is not a symmetrical, because of here we mention what? Man, woman, otherwise male, female. So this is symbol is not a symmetrical. Both are different. Okay. Now here is a taxi, here is the coffee shop, here is the telephone. So my dear students, how many these all symbols you have remember? Petrol, hotel, restaurants, any hospitals, school, okay, so and factories. So many types of symbol, you take it and make a line of the symmetry, otherwise imaginary line you making. Got my points, dear? So many things are what? So many things are important for us. What, dear? So many things are important for us. What my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, understood? Baggage claim, then after the dotted line of the symmetry. Then after this dotted line is not a line of the symmetry. And here is a washroom. This symbol is not a symmetrical. Okay. So again I repeat, my dear students, which kind of the symbols are coming? Hotels means restaurants, hotels. Okay. Otherwise some water park means some any adventures place, picnics place. Okay. Otherwise a petrol pump symbol, otherwise any hospital symbols. So many things are coming in this. Okay, my dear students, here example of a telephone, coffee shop, taxi, hospital, school. These all symbols are coming, my dear students. Understood? Now we move on, my dear students. Exercise number 8C, question number 1. Where, what, my dear students? Now we move on. Exercise number 8C, question number 1. What, dear? Exercise number 8C, question number 1. Understood? So let's check here the exercise number 8C, question number 1. I hope you all know what is this. See this here. So many things are here. First of all, let's read here the what? Instructions. These images are from a various festival, means a different festival in India. Okay. Marks the ones that are asymmetrical, means we have to mark and tell it's a symmetrical is or not asymmetrical. What, my dear students, we find this is the symmetrical or it's not symmetrical. Again I repeat, my dear students, instructions. These images, see this all images: Pongal pot, Lohri fire, Christmas star, Bihu, Jhapi, Gudi Padwa, Gudi, and Onam, Pokalam. Okay, so these all images are from a various festival. What is the meaning of various? Means different festival in India. Okay, we all are celebrate all festivals. So my dear students, mark the ones that are symmetrical, means what we are marking symmetrical. So this question you do in your book, means in your textbook. No need to draw in your fair book. This question will not come in our exam, and also in no need to write in your fair book. This question you have to do in your only textbook. Okay, it's textual based question. That's why I am going to teach you. Now, this first is what, my dear students? Pongal pot. Okay, it's a Pongal pot. In pot, we have to draw a middle line, means line of the symmetry. What, my dear students? Line of the symmetry. We are going to learn. So it's when we are draw the line, middle line, it is the same. We are dividing equal parts, dear students. We are dividing equal parts. So what we called, it's dividing equal parts. So it's a symmetry. Otherwise non-symmetrical. Okay. So yes, Pongal pot is dividing the equal parts. That's why we called what? Symmetrical. Then after next image is Lohri fire. Lohri fire. It is the Punjabi festival, and in Lohri are celebrated by Punjabi people. Okay, Punjabi people means is the festival of Punjab. Lohri is the festival of Punjab. Okay, and we make the symmetrical line. So it's divided in the equal parts. Yes or no? No, my dear students. It's not a divide in equal parts. Understood? That's why it's also a not non-symmetrical parts. What, my dear students? Non-symmetrical part. Understood, my dear students? Okay. Understood? Again I repeat, my dear students, what to do? You have to do one, make an imaginary line, otherwise a line of the symmetry. What you are making, my dear students? What you are making? Okay, you are making a one symmetrical line. Now further is the Christmas star. What? Christmas star, my dear students. Okay, Christmas star. So we make a line of the symmetry, imaginary line in between us stars. See this all. This corner and this one, we make a line. So we divide in equal parts. Yes, dear students, we easily divide in the equal parts. So that's why what we are called is a symmetrical line or symmetrical shape. Okay, dear students, it's the symmetrical line or symmetrical parts. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Then after Bihu Japi. What? Bihu Japi. Understood? Bihu Japi. It's what? It is the circle type of any things. Different things. Okay? Bihu Japi and different things. So my dear students, Bihu Japi, in between we draw the middle line, otherwise a line of the imaginary line of the symmetry. And then we see it's divided in equal parts. Yes, my dear students, it's divided in equal parts or same parts. Understood? I hope you all are understood, dear. What? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay. Now further, Gudi Padwa Gudi. What? Gudi Padwa Gudi. Okay. So we make a imaginary line. How we make? See here. This my cursor is on a pink to here is. Okay. So we divide in the equal parts. No, my dear students, we are not dividing the equal parts. Okay, because of what, my dear students? Because of we draw a line of the symmetry, and symmetrical line is not a divide in the equal parts. It's not divided in the equal parts. So that's why these are not non-symmetrical. Okay, non-symmetrical. Then after the Onampo column. Onampo column is the what? A circle type of the structure, and we make the line of the image. It's divided into the equal parts. That's why what? It's the symmetrical structure. Understood? Now we will move on the question number B. Is the dotted line the line of the symmetry? Say yes or no. Only we have to say yes or no. Yes, it's a symmetrical. If both parts are equal, so that's time we are say the symmetrical, and both parts are not same. What, my dear students? If the both parts are same, it's say yes or symmetrical. Otherwise both parts are not same, so what we called, it's non-symmetrical. See this, both parts are same. This, see this, both side. Yes, my dear students, both sides are equal. So what we called, both sides are equal to, yes, symmetrical. Here is the heart is same, no, so no, non-symmetrical. Then here is oval, yes. Here is both arrow, no. Triangle, yes. Understood? Yes, no, this answer you write in your textbook only, my dear students. Now further step is what? Means further question is what? Draw the line of the symmetry on this shape. Means this here is already drawn by that, means this this drawn line, means this line of the symmetry is drawn, and here we are going to draw. Understood? So we draw here and divide in the equal part. Yes, here we draw, no. Here we are going to draw, yes. Here we are going to draw, but are non-symmetrical. And here is we draw, but is also non-symmetrical. Means no, no, yes, no, yes. Understood? So that's why we are going to do as like that, my dear students. Understood all? That's why we are going to do as like that, my dear students. Now we will move on further. Next topic is different view. Okay, here is the example of car, and you are give your views. Okay, first image of car is side view. What, my dear students, you are a stand of the side view. Means, so what you are looking side view, but you are in a top floor, so you are see the top views. Otherwise you are a downside, you see, otherwise you are a front of the car, so you see the front parts of the car. You are back, so you are check the back views. Okay, here is the example number of example of tree. Say what views these are. See, this is what? Front view, top view. Here is the figure. Okay, what means, my dear students, we have to identify only these things. Means here the what? Back, top, front, top views. Okay, as like that we are going to do, my dear students. Now further is what? Match the objects to the view. Means, my dear students, this question we are going to learn in next session, but again I repeat one time here. Match the object. See, this cupboard handle is front side, so means what? Front view. Okay, means this side is, see this, front view. Side view, this side view, this top view. Okay, here is the display is what, my dear students? Front view. Okay, here is the side view, here is the top view. The top view is the like a bird's eye view. Okay, top view it's called a what? Bird's eye view. Understood, my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood. Thank you all, dear students. Thank you all.